In this video, I will show you how to add text in Capcut PC. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see in Capcut. So I've currently got this project loaded. This is just a short video that I've added. So what we're going to do is add some text to this video. Now, in order to do this, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top left-hand corner. And in the top left-hand corner, you're going to see these different icons. You can actually see one for text just up here. So you want to click onto text. What it's going to do is open up a window like this, and all you want to do is hover over here and press the plus button to add this text to the track. Now, if you come over to the right-hand side, this way you can actually edit the text. So at the moment, you can see it says default text, so we can take this out and put whatever text we want. So I'm just going to go ahead and put hello. And we can also do things like change the font, the size of the font, just like this. We can also change the color of the text using the color selector down here, as well as the font as well. So we can click onto here and change the font to whichever font we want from here. Now, some of these fonts are part of Pro, but it's still a ton of fonts available for the free version of Capcut. So for example, I'm going to go for this one. As you can see, we've now changed the text font, and what I'm going to do is actually change the color to make it stand out a bit more. So I'm going to change it to black. What we can do is actually click onto the text in the video and move this wherever we want. And if we actually come down to our timeline, we can go ahead and add this to wherever we want in our video. You can also change the length of the text, so the duration that this text appears for, just like so. And once you're happy with the changes, what we can do is preview the video. And as you can see, the text has now been added to the video. So that is how to add text in Capcut PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.